How to check and test magnet sensor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on device care. So you will see device care is here, so click on device care. Now here's a click on diagnostics. So after click on diagnostic, click on phone diagnostics. So after click on phone diagnostics, so you will see magnetic sensor is here. So if you want to test and check magnetic sensor, so click on sensor and click on test again. So you will see after the test, you will see test result is normal. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can check and test magnetic sensor on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.